One of you troublemakers out there had to come up with an idea for a video series. And it's a really good idea. The only trouble with the idea is that I don't have enough ideas, personally, to pull off the idea. How many times did I just say idea? Doesn't matter. Anyways, with the holiday season coming up, the concept that was presented was to do a blacksmith's advent calendar. For those of you who aren't familiar with the concept of an advent calendar, it is a countdown till Christmas, and usually it starts on December 1st, and then there are 25 days worth of something that this calendar represents. In its simplest forms, it really is just checking off the date on the calendar. You get a little bit more advanced, you have little doors you open up and you have little pictures and images. I think my mom had one when I was a kid that she had actually sewn up, and it had the little buttons and ties and things like that. You opened it up and there was some little goodie in all these little pockets, and every day you got to experience something leading up till Christmas Day. Today you frequently find advent calendars at the grocery store. They're a little cardboard thing. They got the 25 little doors you tear open, and there's a little piece of chocolate in there or something like that. But what do we do for a blacksmith's advent calendar? Now, I don't think these things need to be necessarily Christmas specific. We would run out of ideas long before we got to 25 trying to make things that are exactly related to Christmas. The concept as presented by the viewer was super simple projects, and that's exactly what it should be. I'm looking for video ideas, for videos that'll be 5 to 10 minutes long, maybe 15 minutes at the maximum. Quick, easy projects, something you can do in your shop in a half an hour or an hour, and that includes the time starting your fire and shutting down when you're done. I'm just not sure if I can come up with 25 super simple projects. Now, something very similar that we have done in the past is the Blacksmith's Challenge, and we have looked at all sorts of different simple projects as part of that series. And here are some things from the Blacksmith's Challenge that we've done that would be appropriate projects for this. There's a scribe and a center punch and a chisel, a bottle opener, a simple S-hook, a dice. You could actually make a whole set of these things and play Yahtzee with them if you wanted to. But a lot of the Blacksmith Challenge projects have just been little elements. They haven't been finished project, they've just been to look at technique. And if you're not familiar with this, all of these things start as a piece of 1/2-inch square bar, 3 inches long. Now, I really like the idea of these things being standalone projects as opposed to samples of techniques or elements or something like that. So doing little scrolls, little twists, things like that aren't really where I would like to go with this. I would rather make something finished like the S-hook or the scribe, and we may revisit some of these projects as part of this and do them a little bit differently this next time. But some other things that come to mind are all manner of hooks, things like leaves for keychains, and perhaps we'll even look at some cabinet handles or something. But in any case, I don't have enough really good ideas for 25 super simple projects to do as a Blacksmith's Advent Calendar so that I can make sure I do one each day starting December 1st through Christmas Day. And that means I'll probably actually start a day ahead so that those post one each day. And you can look forward to opening your Advent Calendar in the form of a how-to video each day starting December 1st through Christmas Day. So if any of you have any good super simple project ideas, be sure to list them down there in the comment section. I will try to give credit for the idea when we do the video to whoever it is that suggested it, although I suspect there will be a lot of duplicates. So if I miss your name, it isn't intentional. I'm not trying to leave you out. But if 10 people recommend the same thing, I may not be able to give credit to all 10 people because I probably won't remember all 10 names. So that's all I've got for right now. I'm going to go light a forge, try to warm the shop up a little bit and get back to work. I hope you can get out to your shop. I hope you can make something, but be safe, wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next one.